Supreme Court directed that all stray dogs in Delhi NCR be picked up within 8 weeks and housed in dedicated dog shelters. Now, that has led to a massive division, especially where many societies are concerned. The court also warned that if any person or organization comes in the way of picking up stray dogs, action will be taken.
One of urban India's scariest menaces, attacks by stray dogs. The Supreme Court on Monday stepped in, issuing detailed directions to civic bodies in the National Capital Region. The Apex Court has made it clear that stray dogs in Delhi NCR must be shifted away from residential localities. Civic bodies have been directed that all stray dogs in Delhi NCR should be picked up within 8 weeks and housed in dedicated dog shelters. The top court instructed municipal bodies and other agencies to work in coordination to create adequate shelter facilities. Supreme Court also instructed that no stray dog should be released back onto the streets once housed in a shelter. In a stern warning, Supreme Court also asserted that if any person or organization comes in the way of picking up stray dogs, action will be taken against them.
इसमें माननीय कोर्ट ने जो आदेश दिया है वो भी हमारे लिए बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है। हमारा एक ही ध्येय है, दिल्ली की जनता को राहत देना। आज ये प्रॉब्लम जिस विकराल रूप धारण करके दिल्ली के सामने खड़ी है, इसमें सरकार की ईमानदारी के साथ में समाधान देना ये बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है, जिसकी हमने पूरी योजना बनाते हुए इस समस्या पे काम हम करेंगे।
Animal rights activists stage protests against the court order.
It's a bizarre order because it's in contravention to an earlier order by the Supreme Court. There are two contradictory orders because earlier the Supreme Court itself said that the Animal Birth Control Rules 2023 must be followed. So it contradicts that order first of all, and secondly, it's impracticable because we don't have the infrastructure in this country to put so many dogs in shelters and to be able to treat them well.
While the Supreme Court order applies only to Delhi, there are now calls for its implementation in other metros.
Can the Delhi government and the authorities find land, set up shelters and set up the infrastructure required to catch, vaccinate and sterilize dogs in the timeline that's been given by the Supreme Court? The issue of dog bites is serious, but how exactly is the implementation going to happen on the ground? In New Delhi, this is Anisha Mathur for India Today.